In order to construct a schedule, resources play a vital role as they decide when the work can be done. There are three types of resources: work resources, material resources, and cost resources. Work resources are the ones which we assign by time. Material resources are the ones which we assign by quantity, and cost resources are the ones which we assign by cost. To set up the resources, go to the View tab and click on the resource sheet. In the resource name, we can type in job skill name, admin, executive. Press enter. The work resource has been created. In the initial field, we can type the name admin. Group represents the department. Admin executive belongs to administrative department. Max units represent the work resources availability. Admin executive is dedicated 100% to this project. So 100% is a good value. Base calendar represents the calendar field. These two fields, base calendar and max units, work together to decide the work resources availability. Suppose we have 5 customer care executives and we don't really care which one is servicing us. So in that case, we can put the max unit as 500%. So in the resource name field, we can put customer care executive. Press enter. In the initial field, we can put customer care, and the max field we can change 100% to 500% because we have 5 customer care executives. We can also put name of the resource like Annie Thomas. We should put last name first name. So instead of Annie Thomas, we should put Thomas Annie and press enter. A work resource has been created. Since Annie Thomas belongs to the IT department, we can put group as IT. Suppose we want to see the timings for standard calendar. Just double click on Thomas Annie, go to the general tab and select change working time. In the work weeks tab, click on the details. Select from Monday to Friday. As we can see in the blurred manner, timings for the standard calendar is 8 am to 5 pm with an hour for lunch. Let's come out of this dialog box and click on cancel. Cancel. Suppose we want to set up the vacation for Annie Thomas. So go to the project tab and click on change working time. So for calendar Thomas Annie. In the exceptions tab, we can set up the vacation for Thomas Annie. Type in vacation. Let's suppose the vacations of Annie Thomas starts from 8th May and ends on 14th May. Once we are set up, we can click on OK. We can also set up various cost tables. So just double click on Annie Thomas, click on cost. The standard rate is $50 per hour. Just type on $50 and press enter. Overtime rate is usually applicable for contractual employees. Once we are all done, we can click on OK. In the next video, we will learn about material and cost resources. So keep watching. Thank you.